In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Magic Design in Canva. To get started, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the main homepage, take a look at the toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen. There, you should see an option related to Canva's AI tools. Click on that, and it will open up a new panel where you can interact with Magic Design. In this panel, you'll see a text field where you can type in a prompt that describes the design you want Canva to create for you. A simple way to get good results is to structure your prompt like this: type of design plus topic plus style plus colors plus audience. For example, you might say something like Instagram post about a weekend sale, minimalist style, pastel colors for young professionals. The more specific you are, the easier it is for Magic Design to understand what you're looking for. Here are a few quick tips as you write that prompt. First, be specific. Instead of saying poster, say event poster for a live music night. Second, add style words such as realistic, anime, cyberpunk, or minimalist, depending on the look you're going for. Third, mention the lighting if it matters for your design, like soft lighting, neon lighting, or a sunset feel. Fourth, think about the mood. Maybe you want it to feel cozy, dramatic, or luxurious. Finally, avoid one-word prompts. A detailed sentence or two will give you much better results than just typing a single word like logo or flyer. Once you're happy with your prompt, click the submit icon, which looks like a right-pointing arrow. Canva will then open a new page that takes you straight into the main editor. On the left side of this editor, you'll see a chat style panel. Your prompt will appear there, and just below it, you'll see Canva's response, indicating that it's finalizing your design. At this point, all you need to do is wait while Magic Design creates your layout. The time this takes can vary depending on how complex your prompt is, so give it a moment. When the design is ready, it will appear on the canvas like any normal Canva project. From here, you can customize it as you usually would. Change the text, swap images, adjust colors, or move elements around. If you want to refine it further, you can also use the AI chat again to request more variations or adjustments. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Magic Design in Canva to quickly turn your ideas into ready-to-edit designs.